Hey everyone, Maps Coach Christina Griffin here. Hope you're having a great day. So quick tip, data. I call myself a data nerd. Data is so important to help you create listings and opportunity. Become familiar with the free resources that your multiple listing has. Expireds and cancels and for sale by owners are incredible, but think outside of the box. Did you know that there are tons of for sale by owners that actually are renting their properties? What would happen if you called people that were renting their homes and asked them how you can help them rent their home or potentially sell their home? Your county provides code enforcement list. They also provide list of homes that are abandoned, absentee owners that have tenants in properties that aren't paying right now. When you familiarize yourself with different opportunities for listings and different opportunities to go after instead of just the run of the mill expireds, which they're amazing. However, there's a lot more. So data is important and it can help you grow. So don't be afraid of it, embrace it, and go after things like notice of defaults, things that maybe not every single person that you know in the business is going after. Gary said at a mastermind that I went to about a year ago, those that create the opportunity own the market. So create the opportunity for your business and go after it and really truly think outside of the box. Have a great day.